this is John Owens from John Owens Services in San Rafael and Santa Rosa. I'm in front of a Rinnai RU160 EP. This is an exterior water heater. We've been a Rinnai dealer for 23 years. This water heater is 96% efficient. It's an exterior model. Best place for a water heater is outdoors. The Japanese theory is if it leaks, it doesn't damage your house. If there's a carbon monoxide problem, it's not in your house. If there's a gas leak, it's not in your house. Most of the world puts their water heaters on the exterior, and we've installed hundreds of these very efficient water heaters. Down below on this water heater, there are a set of access service valves. These are very important that on a tankless water heater, you need to put in the access service valves so we can actually do the maintenance. With the proper care and maintenance, this water heater could last 20 years. So this type of water heater, even though it's more expensive, it can last 3 times longer than your regular tank water heater. This particular model, we have installed a recirculating pump on it. We do have some models with built-in recirculating pumps. Recirculating pump on a tankless water heater can save you up to 12,000 gallons of water a year. We've been a Rinnai dealer for 23 years. We are experts in tankless water heaters. We are service providers and have been for a long time for these water heaters. Don't hesitate to call us at 855-456-2906 or email us at johnowensservices@gmail.com.